Welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to make grilled cheese.
To begin, you need to get your ingredients. You will need cheese, butter, and bread. Set your stove top to a moderate temperature. Generously butter your bread slice. Put your bread slice in the pan with the butter side down. Check the state of the bread until it's toasted to your liking. Carefully place the cheese on the toast. Now place your other slice of bread atop. Be careful not to botch the flipping of the sandwich. Once both slices have achieved the golden brown, crisp look, you can take the sandwich out of the pan. Now you can enjoy your gooey goodness.
Thanks for watching. I hope you understand how to make grilled cheese.